Hey guys, I'm Nishant and I welcome you to Veg Trollo, and in today's episode I'll help you save 2 to 3,000 rupees per person on the Disneyland Paris ticket booking. In the previous episode I told you everything you should know before you book your Disneyland Paris ticket. Today's video will focus on how to book the Disneyland tickets. I'll give you a detailed step-by-step process of booking through various websites and tell you what's the best website which you have to use to save the money. If you like the video, if you find it useful, please remember to like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Let's get started.
So first of all, I'll show you how to book the tickets for Disneyland Paris through the official website. On Google, go and type Disneyland Paris and you will see Disneyland Paris. The official website is disneylandparis.com, and here you have options to pay either via INR or US dollars or some other currency. But if we try to change the currency, we do not see India as an option, so it's better to pay either in euros or USD. I'll select USD and I'll proceed ahead. Once the page is loaded, click on tickets and packages. Here you will see two options. Hotel plus ticket package is a combo package which I had explained in my video. If you're looking for accommodation and tickets, then you can go for this. If you're looking only for tickets, then you should click on park tickets and proceed ahead. So click on park tickets. You will be routed to the next page. Here you can click on buy a ticket in advance, and then you have to decide what you want to see. Do you want to go as a dated ticket, or you want to have an undated ticket, or do you want to have a dated ticket where the shuttle is also included? By shuttle, pick up and drop from Paris. So let's continue with the dated 1 to 4 day ticket. The process is the same for others also. So click on this. You have to decide whether you want to go for one park or two park. I have already explained the difference between one park and two park. In one park ticket, you will be able to visit either Disneyland Park or Disneyland Studio. In two park, you will be able to visit both. So what I'm doing is I'm taking dated ticket. I'm selecting first of all two parks. Then I have to select the number of days. I'll maybe say select 2 days. The next step is the dates when I want to visit. So they have color codes. The blue color code represents the cheapest ticket, and the brown color code represents the costliest ticket. And they have shown here the ranges. So if you see, you're selecting 2 days. Here you see 11th of May is blue and 12th of May is yellow. But if you select it as a combo, then both of them turn blue. So that's one thing you can keep in mind. Even if you have this blue and pink different price range, ideally it should be 103 plus 122, which is equal to 225. But if I select here both of these ranges 25 26, it becomes 207 because it takes 103 as the price per day. Now maybe we'll select this 25 26 only. Let's see how it goes from there. I'll say I have two adults and maybe one child who is between 3 to 11 years. The tickets are free for under 3. So 2 day park for a particular dated ticket 25th and 26th for two adults and one children, it comes to $606.93 US dollars. And if I go to USD to INR conversion, and if I say maybe 607, if I round it off, it will be about 49,753. 50,000 is the price which we are looking at if we book through Disneyland Paris. The next option is a very famous site which is used for Europe bookings, especially on accommodation, booking.com. If you go here, go to attractions and then click on Disneyland Paris. So it will give you admission to Disneyland Paris. The dates which we had selected here was 25th and 26th. So let's keep the same date. Let's see what happens. 25th to 26th. So it will give the results, and click on the first one, admission to Disneyland Paris. And if you select the options here, you need a 2-day 2-park ticket. This is what we are looking for. Select this. We need 2 adults and 1 child. So this comes to 44,000 rupees, which is about 6 to 7,000 rupees cheaper than what we had seen here, 50,000. So that means 2,000 rupees per head is the saving which you do if you book through booking.com. 44,721. Now the second option which you can use to book is by going to Make My Trip. This is a very famous Indian website for travel, and you can go to Make My Trip, click on activities, and from activities click on Disneyland Paris ticket and search. Under this, select options. First select the date, so maybe 25th. 3 options available. We want 2-day 2-park, so this is what we are looking at, 2 adults and 1 child. So let's book now and see what's the price which we are getting. Okay, so after discount this comes to 48,646 rupees. This is slightly costlier than what you're getting on booking.com. In fact, not slightly costly, it's about 4,000 costly. Do not go for Make My Trip. The third option which I'll show you is Klook. Go for this. This is again a very famous travel related website, especially in Southeast Asia, and now it's becoming famous even in Europe. Just select Disneyland Paris. Disneyland Paris. Now it will give you all the options available. Disneyland Paris ticket is what you're looking for, and let's select the dates and other things once the page loads. So first of all I'll check my date. So it's giving me again the date price wise. Remember that this price is INR price, so it's very convenient for us. We're looking at 25th and 26th. So 25th dated ticket is the regular ticket, so 2 days and 2-park and no pickup location. So basis this, let's see what's the price which we get here. 2 adults and 1 child. So this is 44,552. Again, if we compare it with the direct website, you save a lot on Klook. About 6,000 rupees is what you're saving. So 44,552 INR. Via Klook, via admission, it is 44,721, and if we go via Make My Trip, it's 48. So among three, Klook is the cheapest for you. And in fact, if you book through app, I think for the first time users they also give additional 5%, but it might be on a time to time basis. So this is how you can book your tickets. One more thing is the tickets are cancelable. So if you go to the official website, you can see here refundable without fees up to 3 days before your visit, and I think the same is mentioned here. Even on cancellation policy, you can cancel for free up to 3 days in advance, so you can book through booking.com also.
That's it guys, I hope you found the video useful. If you like the video, if you find it useful, please remember to like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Until next time, this is Nishan signing off. Bye, take care, tada.